If you're looking for the perfect minimalist floral headband that is very DIY friendly and doesn't even need too much of a hairdressing expertise, it is truly something you could incorporate into your bridal hairdo yourself just by simply creating some gorgeous curls perhaps, or maybe wearing your hair up, maybe pinning in a veil behind and hiding kind of um, um, the, the pins underneath your hair, and then popping on this beautiful floral headband that will elevate your wedding gown and make you feel like a goddess on your big day. It is very DIY friendly, so if you haven't got money for posh hairdressers, then something like this could really help you create a stunning $1,000,000 look that will make you look and shine like a goddess that you are. What do you think? Let me know.